1163, turn the throttle to the RMP, runway 07.
United 1163, Sangster Tower, continue approach, runway 07, releasing Boeing 737 prior to your arrival.
For runway 07, yeah, 1163.
Southwest 907, roger. Sangster Tower, hold short, runway 07, advise when fully ready.
We'll let you know, we'll hold short, Southwest Canada.
American 875 arrive 07, vacate Alpha, contact Sangster ground 121.7.
Ground American 875.
Did 1163, wind 060 degrees, 19 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
07, yeah, 1163.
Southwest 907, roger. Behind landing Boeing 737, short, final, over the lights. Line up and wait behind, runway 07. United 1163, arrive 11, vacate Alpha, contact Sangster ground 121.7.
Alpha over ground, yeah, 1163.
Southwest 907, wind 060 degrees, 17 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
Runway 07. 507, heavy turning, final on RMB 07.
Jet 5507, Sangster Tower, continue approach, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 16 knots.
Continue approach, cargo jet 5507.
Southwest 907, airborne 13, contact Sangster radar 120.8, good day.
20, have a fantastic day, Southwest 907. JetBlue 780 is ready for departure.
780 Sangster Tower, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait, runway 07, JetBlue 780.
JetBlue 780, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 16 knots.
Takeoff, runway 07.
JetBlue 780, airborne 15, contact Sangster radar 120.8, good day.
Say JetBlue 780.
On runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 20 knots.
Chicago Jet 5507, clear to land runway 07.
Cargo Jet 5507, arrive 21, vacate Alpha, contact Sangster ground 121.7.
Alpha, contact you ground 121, Chicago Jet 5507.
91628, ready for departure at holding point.
628 Sangster Tower, line up and wait, runway 07.
Runway 07, United 1628.
Hello, American 3154, approaching Usain for the RNT runway 07.
American 3154 Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07, surface wind 050 degrees, 22 knots.
To approach runway 07, American 3154.
1628, surface wind 060 degrees, 20 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
Clear for takeoff 07, United 1628.
WestJet 2567 Sangster Tower.
Jet 2567 here.
Ready for departure?
No, negative. We're still waiting on the back end. WestJet 2567.
Advise and foot ready.
WestJet 2567.
United 1628, airborne 24, contact Sangster radar 120.8, good day.
120.8, good day, United 1628.
Jet 25, ready for departure.
Jet 2567, roger, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait 07, WestJet 2567.
American 3154, continue approach, releasing Boeing 737 prior to arrival.
We just copied American 3154, continue approach.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 20 knots.
Silver takeoff 07, WestJet 2567.
American 3154, wind 070 degrees, 18 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
And runway 07, American 3154.
2567 airborne 26, contact Sangster radar 120.8, good day.
1208, good day, WestJet 2567.
JetBlue 279 is with you, RNAV runway 07.
279 Sangster Tower, continue approach, runway 07, surface wind 070 degrees, 16 knots.
Continue JetBlue 279.
American 3154 arrived, 28 vacate Alpha, contact Sangster ground 121.7.
121.7, backside 154, good day.
One 928 Sangster Tower, confirm ready for departure.
28 ready for departure.
928, roger, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 080 degrees, 15 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 07, Delta 1928.
JetBlue 279er, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots, cleared to land, runway 07.
07, JetBlue 279.
Delta 1928, airborne 32, contact Sangster radar 120.8, good day.
Sangster, good day to you, Delta 1928.
Tom Jet 052, approaching again.
Jet 052 Sangster Tower, continue approach, runway 07, surface wind 070 degrees, 17 knots.
Approach Tom Jet 052.
Blue 279er arrived 35, vacate Alpha, contact Sangster ground 121.7.
Alpha over ground, JetBlue 279, good day.
zero 07, wind 080 degrees, 17 knots.
Runway 07 cleared to land, Tomjet 052.
Zero 52, arrive 39er, vacate Alpha, contact Sangster ground 121.7.
Vacate Alpha 121.7, Tomjet 052, good day.
Sangster Tower, clear to land, runway 07, wind 080 degrees, 22 knots.
Condor 162, runway 07, clear to land.
It's on the RNP, runway 07 approach.
Delta 1949, Sangster Tower. Delta 1949, Sangster Tower.
1949, and we got the airport in sight.
Delta 1949, roger, continue approach, runway 07, wind at station 070 degrees, 14 knots.
The approach, Delta 1949.
Condor 162, arrive 190, vacate Alpha. Wind clear contact ground 121.7. Good day.
Right on Alpha 1217, good day, Condor 162.
Delta 19049, wind 070 degrees, 21 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
And runway 07, Delta 1949.
Yeah, man. Video. YouTube. All right, my brother. Cool.
November 680 Julius Sierra, Sangster International, Roger. Semi departure. Delta 19049, RF 22, vacate Alpha wind clear ground 121.17.
7, Roger, Delta 1949.
November 680 Julius Sierra, wind 070 degrees, 19 knots. Clear for takeoff, runway 07.
November 680 Julius Sierra, copy.
Runway 07.
Runway 07, copy.
Blue 279 on the RNP runway 07.
279 San Francisco, continue approach, runway 07.
JetBlue 279.
Nano 17 airborne 1900, contact radar 120 Lake a day.
917.
790 wind 060 degrees, 17 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Land runway 07, JetBlue 279.
4,200 on the RNP 07.
21 Sangster International, continue approach runway 07, wind at station 050 degrees, 14 knots.
New approach, JetBlue 521.
126 Sangster International, confirm fully ready.
Ready for JetBlue 1126.
1126, roger, land up point runway 07.
50807, JetBlue 1126.
521, continue approach, releasing company traffic prior to arrival.
Approach, JetBlue 521.
Blue 279, arrive 05, vacate for taxiway Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
Via Alpha 1.7, JetBlue 279er.
Blue 1126, wind 050 degrees, 17 knots, QNH 1013, clear for takeoff, runway 07.
Alright, 1013 QNH and runway 07, clear for takeoff, JetBlue 1126.
521, wind 060 degrees, 13 knots, clear to land runway 07, QNH 1013.
JetBlue 521.
Airborne 07, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Sangster 120.8, good day, JetBlue 1126.
Runway 7 ready for departure.
Dear Flight 124 Sangster Tower, behind the landing traffic, 3 miles an hour, Apple wait, behind runway 07.
Landing traffic, line of way, runway 7, departure flight 124.
Five two one arrives 09, vacate for taxiway Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
Alpha ground 1217, JetBlue 521.
Flight 124, wind 050 degrees, 16 knots, clear for takeoff runway 07.
07, frontier flight 124.
And for 39 Sangster Tower, line up and wait runway 07. Dear Flight 124 Airborne 11, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Switching to departure frontier flight 124, see ya.
439, I expect another minute to leave for spacing. And 439, wind 070 degrees, 18 knots, clear for takeoff runway 07.
Takeoff runway 07, American 439.
American 975, we're ready.
75 Sangster Tower, roger, hold short runway 07.
Short runway 07. Heavy with you, 3 miles from St. Clyde, RMP 07.
854 Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07, wind at station 060 degrees to 1 knots.
Runway 07 from the 854.
39 Airborne 14, contact radar 120.8, good day.
0.8 American 439, good day.
Sangster Tower, wind 070 degrees, 15 knots, clear for takeoff runway 07.
07, clear for takeoff, American 975.
975 Airborne 17, contacts radar 120.8, good day.
Decimal 8 American 975, good day.
Jet 854, cleared to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 18 knots.
Runway 07, Tom Jet 854.
To Dreamliner.
West 293, Sangster Tower, Roger, line up and wait, runway 07.
Wait, 07, Southwest 29.
Sir Tower, good day. Republica 7482, identity 07.
Republica 7482, Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07.
Approach runway 07, Republica 7482.
Jet 854, arrive 27, vacate the taxiway Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
7 ground, Tom Jet 854.
Southwest 293, wind 060 degrees, 17 knots, clear for takeoff runway 07.
Clear for takeoff, runway 7, Southwest 293.
America 7482, wind 070 degrees, 15 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Runway 07, Republica 7482.
West 293, airborne 29er, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Alright, Southwest 293, good day. 2 Centric on the runway 07.
Canadian 75, behind the landing traffic, short final, and a wait behind runway 07.
Sorry, line up and wait behind the landing traffic, American 825.
America 7482, arrive 32, vacate the taxiway Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
Via Alpha, switch with 127, Republica 7482.
.875, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 07.
07 American 875.
Sangster Tower, hello, United 1160 ready in sequence, runway 07.
1160 Sangster Tower, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait, runway 07, United 1160.
Can 875 Airborne 34, contact radar 120.8, good day.
2.8 American 875, good afternoon.
2 minutes delay for spacing.
United 1160.
0, wind 050 degrees, 17 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 07.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 07, United 1160.
Ready to go.
0 Sangster Tower, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up wait 07, Delta 1800.
United 1160 Airborne 37, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Decimal 8, you have a good day as well, United 1160.
6, correction 070 degrees, 12 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 07.
1800, clear for takeoff 07.
Yeah!
Please 00 Airborne 40, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Radar 120.8, good day as well, Delta 1800.